Hi guys, today I'm going to review this item from Bornprettystore. So this is like a kind of smoke effect ink for your gel polish. As you can see, I have picked the colour white. So let us see how we get on. Now they do recommend that you use a dark base. I've gone for black since I do have the white ink. And they do also recommend that after you do your colour coat, to apply a matte top coat so it adheres better. So as you can see, we have put a matte top coat onto that. So I'm not really sure what kind of pattern I want to do. I guess a smoke effect, and I'm just gonna see how I get on trying this out. So let's go. So as you can see, it dries super quick and the colour just disperses so easily as you're applying it to the nail. So I've done it slightly down the side of the nail to act a bit like a kind of smoke effect over the black. Now you can of course apply a matte top coat so that it stays with this sort of effect. I am going to put a gloss top coat over it just because I want to see what happens when it has gloss on it. So that is the polish now cured. So yeah, that is the watercolour ink from Bornprettystore. There is different colours available. I just preferred to try out the white one. Simple to use, it air dried so quickly, and I'm pretty sure that, you know, with a bit of practice and everything, you can come up with so many different designs. So that's the kind of smoke effect that I went for. There's a discount code down below if you do want to buy anything from their website at all. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.